नमस्कार। मैं सीए मनमोहन जिंदल, सोशल ऑडिटर, रजिस्टर्ड वैल्यूर इंस्टीट्यूट इन फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स, वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. Today we shall discuss the contents of social audit reports and the related matters. So, social audit team leader should report the audit conclusions in accordance with the audit program. The audit report should provide a complete, accurate, concise, and clear record of the audit and should include refer to the. और ये सारे सारे पॉइंट्स उस ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में होने चाहिए. नंबर ए, टाइटल दैट क्लियरली इंडिकेट द रिपोर्ट इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट ऑडिट. सोशल ऑडिट रिपोर्ट इज ऑर्डिनरी एड्रेस टू द एंगेजिंग पार्टी. तो जिसने आपको एंगेज किया है उसको आपको ये रिपोर्ट देनी है. बट इन सम केसेस देयर मे बी अदर इंटेंडेड यूजर्स. तो इसके ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि सोशल ऑडिट रिपोर्ट हम एंगेजिंग पार्टी को देंगे यदि ऑर्डरली है तो फर्स्ट ही आएगा, और यदि किस किस को दे सकते हैं, ऑर्डरली ना हटा दें तो 2-3 लोगों को दे सकते हैं. ऑडिट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, ऑडिट स्कोप, particularly identification of organization, the auditee, and the functions or process audit. Identification of audit client, identification of audit team and auditee participant in the audit. तो किस किस ऑडिटी पार्टिसिपेंट ने इसमें हिस्सा लिया. Dates and locations where the audit activities were conducted, audit criteria, audit findings and related evidence, audit conclusions, or a statement on degree to which the audit criteria have been fulfilled. तो कितनी डिग्री तक ये आपके ऑडिट क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल. Any unresolved diverging opinion between the audit team and the audit. कौन कौन से unresolved issues रह गए हैं उनको भी include करना है. The audit report can also include and refer to the following as appropriate: the audit plan including time schedule, a summary of an audit process including any obstacle encountered that may decrease the reliability of the audit conclusions, confirmation that the audit objectives have been achieved within the audit scope in accordance with the audit plan, any areas within the audit scope not covered, including any issues of availability of evidence, resources, or confidentiality with related justifications, a summary covering the audit conclusions and the main audit findings that support them, good practices identified, agreed action plan follow if any, or a statement of confidential nature of the contents. Another is any implications for audit program or subsequent audits, a statement that engagement was performed in accordance with social audit standard framework or any other framework as applicable, a statement that social audit complies with the independence and other ethical requirements of the code of conduct applicable to social auditor issued by the self-regulatory organization oblique C. सेबी ने भी किया है तो भी दोनों का आ जाएगा. So what are the challenges related to social auditing? Social audit happens in a dynamic, multi-dimensional and interconnected framework. So following are the challenges related to social audit. Number one, capturing softer data. It can be challenging while capturing the social impact. For example, confidence, self-esteem, sense of agency. The social auditor should ascertain that AIR has used the appropriate methods to capture the outcomes for the such indicators. It can be addressed by using proxy indicators, PESA scales, or narrative numeracy method. Social auditor needs to be skilled and knowledgeable to trace the materiality of data to the impact indicator. Another is capturing social and economic impact is a tough task. So organization will need to refine documentation tools and data analysis method to arrive at conclusions. Lack of appropriate indicators which are traceable might be a challenge. This can be mitigated by thinking through the data needs that need to be captured while at the project डिजाइन स्टेज सो डिजाइन स्टेज पर ही उसको कैप्चर करना बेहतर होता है hiring the services of a qualified professional may assist the social auditor need to be well versed with reporting framework tools for this. Another is traceability of certain stakeholder groups. For example, an intervention for adult learners, nomads, BPT. Primary evidence audit trail for such groups will be an impediment. कितने बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति सीख कर चले गए उनका डाटा मिलना मुश्किल है access to appropriate data in a user friendly manner is necessary to draw conclusions. Organizations may hide withhold data that may be of counter initiatives. तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना है ओवर क्लेमिंग व इम्पैक्ट नीड टू बी एड्रेस्ड ज्यादातर जो भी सोशल ऑडिट एंटरप्राइजेज हैं वो ओवर क्लेमिंग करते हैं काम कम किया होता है और कहते ज्यादा है इस बात का भी ध्यान assigning roles to the intervening variables capturing qualifying of life indicator by stakeholder and using dead weights can avoid over multi-dimensional project implementation will have a convergence of sectors. Example, a district or state rural health intervention will have convergence of sanitation, nutrition, behavior change communication, primary health services, etc. Social audit of this complexity and scale will make the social audit process lengthy and cumbersome. This may pose a challenge to the rigor of audit. So ये भी मल्टी डायमेंशनल प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो भी एक चैलेंज का काम करते हैं lack of social auditors who are equipped to conduct audits as per the social audit standards which are aligned to the social development goals तो इस टाइप के सोशल ऑडिटर्स का बहुत कमी है इसीलिए सोशल ऑडिटर्स के इस कोर्स को शुरू किया गया है इस मटेरियल को पढ़ाया जा रहा है ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल को इसमें एंगेज किया जा रहा है लाइक माइंडेड पीपल्स को इसमें एंगेज किया जा रहा है और क्वालिटी को बेहतर करने के लिए एंगेज किया जा रहा है इट मे बी ए चैलेंज टू हैव accredited social auditors and experts in all thematic sectors. So now sample questions हैं कुछ 5 नंबर चैप्टर पर नंबर 1 which of the following is not a feature of social audit? So evaluating the impact caused on the society by the organization being a multi-perspective in nature, adopting the triple bottom line approach are the features of the social audit. But issuing an opinion on the state of financial affairs is not the feature of social audit. This is the work of the financial auditor. Number 2, both quantitative and qualitative indicators are important in case of social audit. फाइनेंशियल ऑडिट में फाइनेंशियल्स करते हैं कंप्लायंस में कंप्लायंस ऑपरेशन में ऑपरेशन बट सोशल ऑडिट इज वेरी वास्ट इट इंक्लूड्स बोथ क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव इंडिकेटर्स is the rational method for reaching reliable reproducible evidence audit control in a systematic audit process this is very important question हर एग्जाम में ये more or less आता ही है so it is a evidence based approach having which of the following implies that a social audit attains maintains and updates professional competence in a related technical professional and business domains so it is a professional competence and due care उसको अपना प्रोफेशनल कंपिटेंस लगातार बढ़ाना है लगातार सीखना है ड्यू केयर भी करनी है तभी वह सक्सेसफुल सोशल ऑडिटर बन पाएगा so this is for today we shall discuss in the next video social audit standard framework सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।